And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Well, Friday evening commute always the best one of the week, and it's a little slow out there checking out the cams, but no weather-related issues. Just a lot of people trying to get home and get ready to enjoy a beautiful night and a beautiful start to the weekend tomorrow. And take it slow out there. Obviously, a little patience. Temperatures today, oh my goodness, was it nice. 70s to near 80 degrees. And a lot of sunshine, too. Just a little bit of cloud cover this morning, but it turned out to be a gem. And big picture, there's a lot of heat out west, but some of that's getting broken off now. You know, earlier this week, we were talking about how temperatures like in Cheyenne, Wyoming and Denver, Colorado were like in the 90s. It's like 49 in Cheyenne right now. Ooh, it got a little cool, right? There's a frontal boundary right here. Cool and warm. We're going to stay on the warm side of things for quite some time. That cold front, or we'll call it a cool front, is positioned back in the northern plains. It's going to very slowly, methodically work across the Great Lakes over the course of the weekend. While we enjoy nice weather Saturday and Sunday, it's inching closer and closer, and eventually we'll tug up some of this moisture here, and eventually it rains Monday and Tuesday. And I have moved up the timeline for the rain for next week. Now let me move over this way. I was blocking this. Yikes, look at Hurricane Earl. Nice little eye right there. Well-defined. Category 2. It has now moved north of Bermuda, and I'm going to talk about how Earl is going to impact our weather for the weekend. I know it's weird. We're forecasting a lot of sunshine. You're like, well, there's a hurricane. How's it going to affect? I'll show you how. Hour by hour, sunshine through the evening, clear after that. Temperatures falling back in the 60s. It's a delightful night. And we had enough rain this week that I'm safe to say that we can go fire pit forecast all day. If you have a fire pit tonight, don't just enjoy the fire. Look up in the sky, the full moon. It's there. It will look beautiful and gorgeous. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. This might be the best fire pit night of the entire summer and fall now. It's that good. Take a picture. I want to be there with you, but I can't. Sunny and nice tomorrow. Temperatures topping out. A little warm, low to mid-80s. Not humid, though. But what a day. Enjoy for your Saturday. Southeastern Mass, sunny and nice for you. And a light northwest wind will take your temperatures up into the 80s and well into the 80s, too. So it's a really warm day for September standards. Now, beach forecast is for Saturday. Sorry, it's not Friday. But nonetheless, I wanted to put this on here. Keep in mind, you're going to the beach Saturday or Sunday, the rip currents will be moderate and the swells, the waves, 4 to 8 feet. So if you're not an experienced swimmer, you really want to stay out of the water. There's no lifeguards out there. And it seems like every year we get to the middle of September, and I mentioned this in the newsroom meeting today, we're always doing some story on some kind of rescue on a weekend like this. You got all this sunshine, everybody goes to the beach, you want to cool off, I get it, but maybe you're not an experienced swimmer and you get caught up in the currents, right? High surf advisory for the areas in purple. Obviously, it's South County. If you're in Richmond, you don't really have to worry about the high surf, I get it. But if you're closer to the coast, it's a beach thing, just be careful. Goes through Saturday night, and I think Sunday will have some high swells too. Where are those swells coming from and the rip currents? Hurricane Earl, yeah, Category 2. Here's Bermuda, brushed Bermuda last night, and now it's going to trickle away up into the North Atlantic and eventually fizzle out, and really just bothering nobody except for the swells and the waves that are crashing the East Coast this weekend. Earl, on that borderline of a Cat 3, doesn't look like it's going to make it, so original thought was it might be our Cat 3 hurricane, but it looks like it'll stay Cat 2. So Saturday, sunny, nice, really nice. Just watch out for the currents if you're going to the beach. And then on Sunday, if I had to split hairs which day is the better beach day, I'd go Saturday because Sunday might have a little bit of cloud cover, low 80s and looking good. Just not quite as bright. There's your rain for Monday and Tuesday, and then sunshine returns Wednesday through Friday, right around 80 for your high temperatures. John?
All right, Jeff, thank you. Still the